The Nigerian Navy don't talk say the collabo with sister agencies they very important to help secure we country Niger. The flag officer commanding Naval Training Command, Rear Admiral Patrick Owantu, talked this one for one lecture on interagency collaboration for batch 32/34 trainees for Oni for Rivers State. Rear Admiral Owantu, wey dey represented by Commodore Bob Manuel Efion, come talk say no agency on its own go fit handle security matter because they talk say every agency gets role to play for the security plans of the country.
Everybody wants to do his job and nobody wants to recognize the existence of the other person or the other agency. So catching them young now to make them understand that one service cannot do it all alone. Everybody has his specific role to play in the security architecture of the country.
Commandant Naija Navy Training School Abubakar Umar and Lieutenant Colonel Ali Umaga can also chook mouth on the importance of teamwork on top of the recent security challenges.
Part of the Nigerian Navy core value is teamwork, and in line with the Chief of the Naval Staff directive that operation collaboration with sister services, other security agencies, as well as maritime stakeholders is key to providing security in the nation at large. We consider it very germane to inculcate in our trainees at the foundation level the rudiments of teamwork, cooperation, collaboration, in order to achieve national security objectives.
We have come to realize that the war cannot be fought by a single individual or a single organization or profession like the army, because you need information as a soldier to perfect your operation. As such, where you get the information is for the larger society. And we discover based on that, we believe that to have a harmonious relationship and to execute our tasks is to come together to collaborate.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.